Hey guys, welcome to another David Malata. In today's video, I will be explaining what kind of filter to use in your Honda lawnmower. I think this is the most important thing that you want, and of course I'm going to show you how to install it. Let's take a look at this. I actually got this at Tractor Supply, and it says Briggs Stratton on it. And this is not a Briggs Stratton engine, it is a Honda engine. But I've compared the size to the Honda. It seems very comparable, might be slightly off. So let's take a look if this is going to fit in the first place. So obviously this is kind of dirty, we're gonna need to clean it up. Let's go ahead and actually open this up. And looks like we pretty much have a direct fit. Gonna need to install it this way with the filter facing out. As you could see, it fits directly. So you could get this Briggs Stratton filter from Tractor Supply with the part number 491588S. And obviously this does work. So we're gonna go ahead and actually replace this lid like that. And there you go. This is how you change the filter, and we're ready to go some more. Now make sure you change your filter about every 3 months if you're using this thing regularly. It does say over here like when you're gonna need to replace it. It says replace it every 25 hours, you know, annually. You know, I guess this would be like why I say like every 3 months, because it's about like once, probably like every quarter. When you're mowing grass, a lot of times dust is going to get in it, and you just don't want a dusty filter, because just a simple filter like this could cause you a lot of problems, you know, for your engine. First of all, it can't breathe right, and it's just dirty, so you're gonna have dirt flying in. It's not gonna start right, you know, that kind of thing. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can be using this genuine part for Briggs & Stratton in your Honda lawnmower. Thanks for watching. Now that we changed the filter, let's go ahead and actually start it. Guys, before we leave, I want to give you a small tip. And the small tip will be by tying a rope over here to this accelerator pedal. When you actually start things up, it's going to be like over here, and you can actually push it, you know, pull it by using a string that I have tied up over here. And you do that for those areas where you're going to have long grass. You'll actually able to pull it, and then it's going to be cutting grass because it could actually accelerate. So let's give this a start, and I'm going to show you how this works. Let's put this rope over here. So the reason I got it tied up over here, and I did kind of like adjust the length. You can actually place it right here, and this right now, it's not like, you know, all the way tight, but when you actually pressing this in, it's going to pull automatically. So then you could just simply, you know, mow your longer grass like this. Now this possibly is gonna damage your mower, but when you have tall grass and it's just quitting on you all the time, maybe this could actually give you a little boost. So I hope you guys like this little tip, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more tips like this and other videos.
My name is Serge Zamaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite their business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.